Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to replace the window regulator on this 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe. This is a doorman replacement, and today we are going to replace the passenger rear window regulator. I currently have it screwed in with a piece of wood, but let's start from the beginning. In order to remove this door panel, we need to remove the door lock, the panel behind the door handle, and the panel behind the grab handle. So first we need to grab a flathead screwdriver and pry this open going from the top, and we can pull that door lock plastic piece right out. Then get a flathead or a panel remover and move the panel behind the grab handle, and do the same for the one behind the door handle. Now we have these two 10mm that we need to remove. Now to remove the door panel, I recommend getting this tool. Could use a flathead, but you're probably ruining the paint behind the door, so we don't want to scratch it. This can sneak in right behind it. We're gonna pry it up, sneak in, come over here, just like that. We have it loose. Now all we need to do is lift up the door panel off that little ledge next to the window itself, and it'll come right off. Now on the back of the door panel, we need to remove this plug, which you need to press in a tab on the inside of it and pull the plug right out. You press this in. Then here, you need to press these guys in with needle nose pliers. There you go. And this will pop out just like that. All right, now we need to carefully peel this off the door. Yours might be a little harder. Like that. You need to move these two 10mm, loosen them up. Okay. Window is now separated. Now go ahead and grab some clear tape, as it does not leave any adhesive onto the door window or the door itself. Put some of it on the window and then bring the window all the way up. Use two hands. Be careful, you don't want to drop it and break the window. And place the tape on the other side of that window. Secure it from the front. Do two pieces just like that. Yeah. And now we need to move these three 10mm bolts from the window motor itself. The OEM one will be installed kind of like that on the other side, so the plug will be right here. So you gotta wedge your hand around and unplug it, or just unscrew it, uninstall it, then unplug it. After that's removed, we now need to remove this. Now we can go ahead and slide in the new doorman window regulator and track into its place. So we need to open up these a little bit so it can clamp onto the window. Okay, you see I got it open now. Get a flathead, put it down the middle and twist. It'll open right up. Now let's line all these bolts up into these holes. Ta-da! Use the old hardware that we just took off. Now let's attach this guy. Have all the bolts lined up. Now let's plug this in. There you go. That is plugging in the switch. Move the tape on this window. Bring it down until it sits right into these grooves, just like that. Let's tighten it a little bit. That's mission success. Now we just need to reinstall the door panel.